If you are an artist looking to level up, these 5 books will transform how you see, draw, and create. Let me show you the ones that changed everything for me. It's pretty clear that to produce high-quality artwork, you need to learn the fundamentals and practice consistently. I believe every artist has their own list of books that significantly improve their skills, and today I'd love to share mine. These are my absolute favorite art books. I believe every artist should know about, regardless the medium you use, or whether you work traditionally or like me prefer a digital approach. Reading and applying these lessons from these books made a huge difference in my professional growth and the quality of art I'm now able to create. My name is Lily and welcome to my channel. The first one is Gottfried Bammes, The Complete Guide to Anatomy for Artists and Illustrators. This book was a total game changer for me back when I was struggling to draw the human body as an art student. I was never a big fan of simply copying book pages, but in this case it's actually highly recommended. Doing so helps develop muscle memory and a deep understanding of how the human body is structured. This book is packed with well-organized and detailed information that any artist can benefit from, no matter their experience level. Number 2. Nikolay Li, Basics of Academic Drawing. If I'm not mistaken, Nikolay Li was a student of Bammes. His book goes beyond anatomy. It starts with the basic 3D shapes and gradually builds up to more complex subjects, including the human form. It is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to strengthen their foundational skills. Number 3. Composition. Framed Ink and Frame Perspective by Mateu-Mestre. Let's talk about composition. A solid understanding of composition is absolutely essential for any artist working in illustration, animation, or concept art. These 2 books by Mateu-Mestre, Framed Ink and Frame Perspective, are absolutely outstanding. They offer clear explanation of camera angles, perspective from one point or multi-point, and how to construct scenes to achieve the visual impact you are aiming for. They are packed with examples and incredibly useful artistic insights. I personally love these books and consider them an absolute gems in my collection. Number 4. James Gurney, Color and Light. Now that I've covered line work and composition, let's talk about color. Color and Light by James Gurney is an absolute masterpiece on the subject. It offers a clear and practical explanation of color theory, supported by tons of visual examples. For me, it's really simplified what used to feel like an really overwhelming topic, and helped me to apply color much more confidently in my own work. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you have your own favorite books that made a difference in your journey, please share them in the comments. I'd love to check them too. Don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button. If you are looking for more ways to level up, check out my video on 15 productive tips for artists. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Cheers!